Mai I pōtiki rua ki te toka a whaiau. Rere iho ki ngā tukemata o ka hungunu. Ngā reo irirangi o te Rāhia.
When you take your shot and there's nothing but net, you must be balling with us on
Kapu
Tairawhiti.
the slam dunk to your day, brought to you by Turanga FM, Radio Ngāti Parau and Radio Kahungunu.
Now recently a memorial basketball tournament was held in honour of my whānau Midge Kani to help raise funds for her whānau.
The tournament was a family-friendly day planned to bring the hapori together.
Indeed it was. Our very own Rāhia Tumu went along and we'll get to that story soon, but first let's check out what's happening news-wise.
Mōrena e hika mā ki te Tairawhiti, hei te rā pauaka tuai tētahi kaupapa hiika, mai ngā awa o karaka tūwhiro ki Awatere. E waru haura te rua o te wā hiika, a tuai te wā tuku taonga hei te toru karaka I taua ahiahi ki te RSA. Rua te kautāra te utu ma ia tangata e whakataitai ana, te kautāra mō ngā tamariki, te kaumarua tau, me raro iho. Ki Turanga Nui a Kiwa, no tēnei wiki whakatūwhera ai tētahi whare hauora hinengaro ki te hohi pera o Turanga Nui a Kiwa. Tolu te kauma tahi ira tahi miriona tāra te wāriu, ko te whare awhi ora te ingoa. Kwarere ke te whare inae nei, I ngā wā o mua e waru noi ho ngā moenga o te whare hauora hinengaro. Inae nei te kau ngā moenga, te kau hoki ngā rūma, kia āwhinatia te hunga e māwiwi ana. Ke kaunganui nai nei hei a pōpō tuai te kaupapa hangi o ke Christmas cheer, rima rau ngā hangi, rua te kautāra te utu, a mai te paupautanga o te rā ki te rua karaka, koira ngā haora ka tai atu, te kohi hangi, a timatai ngā mahi waiata karaoke, hei te kaumarua ki te rima karaka I te ahiahi ki Club Hastings. Mō te roa ngā atu o ngā kōrero whakapā atu kia ngahi wito moana mā tēnei nama. A kāti, koira ngā taipitopito I tēnei wā.
Last weekend, many came to my old kura, the best intermediate, Ilminster, for the Midge Kani basketball tournament.
It wasn't just basketball on the day, it was a fun-filled whānau day for the whole hapori.
Now 10 teams took part in this tournament and Rāhia, again, she's been busy, popped along to check it out. Kia mātakitaki ake tātou.
So I have Whitiora's Stefan with me. Tēnā koe.
Oh, tēnā koe.
Why was it so important for Whitiora to come here to support this kaupapa?
Yeah, look, when Rose reached out for us, it was just a no-brainer. It's I think everyone, that sense of feeling for Midge Kani's whānau and what they've been through, and so if we can help in some small little way, we were just more than keen to jump on board. And also at the same time, it seems like a pretty positive, awesome thing for the community to get involved with.
As you can see, I'm 5'11" and I have to look up. So Stefan's quite tall. He's actually a really good basketballer and volleyballer and netballer. I've seen you play netball as well. How are you guys going today?
Yeah, I wish you hadn't asked that part-time because, you know, height can be useful. We just played a team where everyone's probably half my height and we lost by 2 points in the end. Yeah, just a slightly off game, but that just shows it's all about fun, bit of competition, but who knows who might win it, right?
Why is this day so important to you?
Well, as you know, Jacqueline and Rewi are students at Campion College, and we just really wanted to get behind this kaupapa and support this day in memory of Midge, and raise some money for the financial burden that's been placed on the whānau as a result of the accident. So great way to get the community together and get out and have a little bit of fun as well.
We've also got ice cream in front of us, so it is a community, you know, the community has got involved in this event. Just tell us about this as well.
100%. So Te Hapara store has donated the ice cream and the cups, and it's free, and so it's just amazing that these different people and businesses have come on board in such a way. So yeah.
It just goes to show how much love there is for Midge, but also for her whānau, right?
Right, yeah, absolutely.
Trust Tairawhiti is one of the supporters of today, and with me now I have the CEO of Trust Tairawhiti. Kia ora, Doug.
Kia ora Rāhia.
He's also a player, but we won't talk about that.
Yeah, nah, that's right. Good to have a run around on a Sunday morning. Let's just say the competitive edge is out there.
So you're the CEO of Trust Tairawhiti. Why did you guys get in behind this day?
Oh, one, it's a good cause, and Rose Brown, who's been leading the way, came up with awesome ideas to sort of hold a fundraiser for Midge Te Kani and her whānau, and in particular to support Rewi Paku, who was in the Campion basketball team. So we thought, why don't you hold a basketball tournament and a whānau day. Midge Te Kani was working for Trust Tairawhiti, and so we felt it pretty hard, and so yeah, it made sense for us to get in behind this and tautoko.
Can you just tell us about today?
So today is a one-day basketball tournament. All funds raised from this and the raffle is going to the whānau of Midge, and also we've got free activities that have been supported by businesses around Gisborne, so that the children can come and while games are being played.
So why is today so special to you?
Oh, we just want to help the fundraising support. The whānau is a big loss for our area and stuff, so we will show our appreciation and support. Rose has been an awesome stalwart for basketball, as well as helping young kids play, so want to get them behind her as well. And we love basketball, so anywhere there's a ball bouncing, we want to help out.
There's a few balls bouncing in there. There are 10 teams. That's pretty cool, eh?
Yeah, great turnout, good atmosphere, good whānau vibe.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Ka rawe hoama. Now, if you weren't able to attend the tournament, you can still support the whānau, the Te Kani Nankiville whānau, by going to their Give a Little page.
Tomorrow on Kapu Tairawhiti, we dive into our next episode.
Yes, indeed. The Tairawhiti bomb competition made a big splash this year. Rāhia, goodness me, ka tahi te wahine pukumahi kuia. She went along to check it out, all the action, and I hope she didn't bomb.
No, I didn't. But until then,
E te ti, e te tā.
hei kona.
You sure you didn't do the bomb?
No, I'm so scared tonight.